Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be something different. Today I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. Today I'm doing clothes. So this is my skirt, and I bought it. Usually when I buy stuff, let's say jeans, pants, or skirts of these sorts, of this sort, it's usually the waist doesn't fit me. So today I'm like, oh, let me show you how I alterate the waist of most of my jeans or most of my pants because they don't fit. So I'm going to show you that because I know some people face the same problems and they always have to go to the tailor or the seamstress to do that. But you can actually do this at home. So today's video, as I said earlier, is do it yourself, DIY. So today I'm just going to show you how I do it myself. And if you look closely, you can see I've already done this part. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the other part so that it fits properly. But before that, I'm going to wear the skirt and show you how big the waist is. So over here, if you look closely, you see how big it is over here. You guys should get closer. So right now, I'm going to pimp my skirt because the waist is too big, as you have seen. So now, I usually go with a color with this color, blue will be perfect. Blue will be the perfect color for this stitch, but I don't have blue, so I'm gonna go with white. So I'm going to take a needle from here, and people usually go like, oh, it's jeans, how can you DIY jeans? You have to take it to the seamstress, you have to take it to the tailor. No, you don't take it anywhere. You don't have to take it anywhere. You can just do this yourself. This is the length. Not too long, not too short. So now I'll tie the end. I'm really excited for this video because I feel like I'm really good at doing stuff by myself and nobody gets to see them. So now that I have a channel on YouTube, I can do all of these things and you guys can see it, and you can also learn from it. Anyway, I like to put in my mouth. Anyway, you can see how excited I am because I'm really excited. So we're going to, I'm showing you how I do this. Make sure it's flat as possible. As flat as a paper. As flat as a paper. As flat as your butt. So make it very flat. You don't necessarily have to do this on the table, no. You just have to get something for your back and you're good to go, trust me. So now that I've made it as flat as possible, oh my god. Now that I've made it as flat as well, be the professional seamstress I am. We have something on this side, you can use it. It's for the needle. So make it as flat as possible because you're doing this yourself, not with a machine, and you want to get it right. So now that it's flat, I'm going to start from here, over here. So with this, I'll put it in here, just a tiny space from the end. Pull it out. Then I push it back in, then out. Then from where the needle came out, push it back in, then it comes out. Make sure the spaces between the threads aren't much because you're trying to make it look professional. Then you leave just a little space, then you put it back in. Push it back in like that. Out, then from where it came out, you push it in again. Remember, you don't want the space to be too big. You don't want the space to be too much. So it's out now. So from here, you push it back in. If you cross it over, it's gonna be something else. And that's not what we're trying to do today. So now that it's out like this, I'm not a professional, so I won't be able to tell you the name of all these scenes and all that. But I might look it up. I'll look it up and put it down in the description box. Okay? Now we've reached a part where it feels like a knot, but it's not a knot, but it's like a lot of layers of jeans. And with that, I think that's what people think is very difficult to do. But it's not too difficult. You just have to be patient. With patience, you can do everything. So now we're going into the part that seems like a knot. We're going in there, then it comes out like this. With this, pull the thread, but don't pull it too much so it tears. Just pull it so that it feels tight, not to the extent where it's gonna tear. Trust me, when you're doing this, you will feel it. You feel that, oh, it's enough. It's just enough for it not to tear. So now it's enough for me. I feel it. I feel that it's enough. So I'm gonna push right up like that through the knot. And with that, it could be a little difficult. You just need strength and patience. So be patient. Oh my God, no. Be patient and make sure you don't break your needle, because you don't want to break your needle. You don't want to tear the thread. So just be patient and keep pushing through. Patience and strength. Now I've been able to pull this thing out. Then, now that it's come out, pull the thread. Just make sure you're pulling it enough so it doesn't tear. Because you're not trying to tear it, you're trying to make a seam here. You're trying to sew, you're trying to alterate. You're trying to alterate your skirt, your jean, or anything that you're trying to do, which is jean, which is made of jean. So just be patient and keep going. Strength, patience, so you can keep twisting it like that and it'll come out. Just keep twisting, twisting, twisting. There. Twisting, twisting. Out it is. So just pull it, but make sure you're not tearing your thread. I can't stress this enough. Now I'm gonna go back in here. Remember, little space, not too much space. So now that we've pushed it in, we're gonna twist, twist, twist. Now it's through the layers of jean. So you pull it back out, pull the thread so it feels tight, just the right amount of tight, not for it to tear. So we're gonna repeat this till we get to the end. So now we've reached the end of the seam. Now that we are here, we're gonna keep doing what we've been doing, I mean. So we're gonna keep doing what we've been doing. So let's keep going. And it still feels like a knot. So just keep twisting, twisting, just twist. Make sure you're not breaking your needle. Just twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist. Then push it out, pull it out. I feel like Moses, I feel like I'm chosen. And if you ain't my nigga, then your girl single to me. So keep going till there's no jean left to push the needle through. Just keep going, keep going. So at this point, I can see that there's no way I can continue doing this. So I'll push it through the last hole. The last hole that I can see the thread from, the thread coming out from. So I push it through it. Now that I've pulled this out, I'm just gonna push it through the same hole one more time. Just gonna push it through the same hole one more time. Now I can cut it off because no matter what I do now, this seam is not gonna come off. So now I'm gonna cut it off. This is what I just did. You can see this is the best seam. Like, it's the best. It's the best. Trust me, it looks just like it's been done with a machine. It's the best. I'm going to wear this now and see if it fits my waist and if it's just what I want. So now, as you can see, this is perfect. Like, this is the best. This is perfect. The hole on my back is smaller and better now. So now I can even go around wearing this without a belt. And I'll be good to go. Also, you didn't have to pay any money. You just needed a thread and a needle. And you were good to go. So I think doing it yourself is best.